Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jamal, and today I'm going to tell you the 5 steps that I took to go from $500 to $25,000 in 5 months. Now let's jump into it. Money. So before we hop into the content for today's video, guys, I want to let all my viewers know that anything you want to accomplish in life, no matter how big or how small, you can accomplish as long as you have a lot of patience, some hard work, and some consistency. Now let's jump into step 1. Okay guys, step number 1. Now obviously you want to be wealthy, you're watching this video, you have got to read, guys. Reading is very powerful. Now there are 3 financial education books that I would recommend. Number 1 is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. You can find it on Amazon by Robert Kiyosaki. Also, The Richest Man in Babylon is a very powerful book. The Millionaire Next Door. Obviously, you guys want to be the millionaire next door, so why not read those books? All right, guys, step number 2 is going to be to make a plan and set a goal. Okay, it's very basic and simple, but very important. Now, what I mean by this is to have a job for every dollar. Okay, once you get your paycheck, have a system to where you set up what goes where, how you're going to spend each and every dollar, because if not, you'll spend it on things you don't even know. And also have a time for your goal. Now most people say they want to make $1 million, or they want to make $10,000 or $100,000. If you don't have a date on that goal can take you 30 years. All right, guys, now we're on to step number 3, and step number 3 is going to be to take control over your spending actions. And what I mean by this is, if you guys know you're a big spender, or you're gonna want those new Jordans that come out every month, or you eat out a lot, you must learn to control that. And if you don't control that, you will learn to be broke. And you don't want to be broke. You want to be financially free. You want to be wealthy. That's why you're watching this video. And I'm telling you guys, learn to control your actions, because if not, it will be very detrimental to your pockets. And in order to do this, you must have something that is step number 4, which is, bam, patience. You must have patience in order to grow this money. This is a slow process. If it's fast, fast money, leave fast. Slow money, stay. So if you guys want to be wealthy, you've got to learn to have patience. And with having patience is just something deep down you got to have, okay? You've got to disconnect yourself from money. You can't look at a dollar and be so emotionally connected to it that you hold it so close to your heart, because you'll drive yourself crazy. You will drive yourself crazy. So if you want to make money, you got to disconnect from money, and patience will help with that. Have patience. All right, guys, and that brings us to our last step, which is step number 5, to rinse and repeat, okay? Once you find a method or business that is working for you, no matter how slow or how fast it may be growing, all you have to do is just keep doing that and having patience. And that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Once again, I'm Jamal, and guess what? We just did that thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.